Hi guys, welcome to today's live. This one is unplanned. I've been planning it for a while though, but I just decided that, you know what, instead of planning and not doing it, let me just do it now. So today I'm just going to show you quickly some basic essentials you need for your corset to look good, for a corset to stand, for it to look nice, for it to look, put together. So the first thing you need for your corset to look good, for your corset to come out perfect now, because sometimes you see some corset like under the bust, it doesn't look well. Okay, it doesn't look put together, and sometimes it doesn't stand. You just have like a flabby corset. So I'm just going to show you guys some basic things you need. First of all, you want to have an interface. You want to make sure this is my paper stay. See, I don't know the correct names of these things, but this is like my gum stay. This is like a paper stay. This is the really light one. You guys can see this is the really light one. This is not the one they use for color. Okay, so you need an interface like this to sort of enhance the strength of the fabric, whether you're working with a corset. That's if you're working with a cotton fabric. But if you're making a corset with like a mesh fabric or a lace fabric, you don't need an interface. Okay, now the next thing you need is this thing. In Nigeria it is called Wadding. Hold on guys. Sandy, my husband is by the door. So back. Okay, so if you're not working with your cup, this one is in Nigeria, it is called wadding. Some people call it breast pad. Okay, but if you are not working with a cup, that's your already made cup, you need this to build your own cup. Okay, you need this to build your own cup. Now the next thing you need for a corset to come out really nice is your boning. You need your boning, and for me, I like to work with like the polyester boning because you can sew on these ones. I don't know, you can't sew, but this is if you are getting a boning. I'm on a live video. If you're working with a boning, you want to get the polyester boning. With the polyester boning, you can sew on it. It has channels that will enable you to sew on it. So you want to make sure you have your boning if you want to make what
polyester boning.
Come on, say
I am the polyester boning.
Go away. Oh god, guys, this is what it's like when I'm doing a video with my people at home. Okay, you need to make sure.
For instance, now this polyester boning,
I'm not recording. It's live.
It's live. They're there.
Yes, now I have 29 people here.
How using white is racism. We are black. They can do polyester boning with the black.
Bye, please.
Okay.
Oh god, this is why I don't like walking when people are around though. Okay guys,
I'm boning.
this is, you need the polyester. Can you please, people should go now. Thank you very much. Yeah, okay guys, now you need the polyester boning because you can sew on it. You guys know that we have one other one that is hard, and you can't sew on it. You really can't do anything with it, so you need this polyester boning. So this one gives the corset shape. It makes it stand. Okay, it makes it look put together. If you are sewing a corset and you don't have a boning on it, you don't have your interface, you don't have this you don't have your interface, you don't have this wadding, the corsets will just look flabby. It will not look attractive. Someone will be asking if you are making a basic bustier, and you guys know even when we're making basic bustiers, okay, you guys know we use our interfaces. Okay, but for corset you need like a wadding to create your breast pad. You also, to create your cup, you also need a boning to make it stand. Now the next thing you need if you are making a corset, you need bias. Now if you're working with Ankara print, you need your bias tape, whether to create the channel for your boning. Okay, now you can also create the channel for your boning with the seam allowance of where you join, those places where you join the pieces together. You can create your boning channels with that, but you can also do that with your bias tape. So make sure you get the color of the fabric of the bias tape you are making the corset with. So I just brought this one to show you guys. Now something you need, very essential, and this one is if you create an underwire channel and most people call it corset with yoke. Now if you have like a corset, if you've drafted a corset pattern, and sometimes, especially if you are working with, let me say, if you are working with let me say mesh fabric, or you're working with lace fabric, you need an underwire. Now you'd have created an underwire channel for you to work with this. More tutorials on corset drafting will be coming up, so you want to keep your eyes open for that. But you need an underwire. I'm going to show you guys how to use this underwire in subsequent corset tutorials. What have I not shown you guys? Of course, you need your lining. Now I'm just showing you guys a basic color of lining, because I'm going to be drafting I'm going to sew a corset that needs this color of lining. Now a video on how to create your own cup, because then I put up a poll here on Facebook and people were asking me, sometimes they can't get their cup size in the sewing supply shop, so how do they get a cup that that fits them properly? So a video on how to create your own cup will be coming up shortly, so you want to keep your eyes open for that. I also have a detailed tutorial that is up on my YouTube channel on how to draft a corset pattern, so you want to check that out. Thank you for tuning into my rather, I don't know, to very noisy and hasty live video, but I hope you guys got the basic essentials you need, and I'll catch you in the tutorial where I show you how to make your own cup for your corset. Okay, now the link to the corset tutorial is here on this live video. You want to check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in my live video, or I'll see you on my Facebook story, or my YouTube story, or on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye.